Nothing what?
Nothing what?
I'm not even using a mic.
Yeah, I know this because there's nothing here worth
It's
talking
so
about.
uneventful. Guess where we are?
We should go to the plant section. I bet you there's
We're gonna go to the plant
there.
section. You guys aren't even gonna see it, but I just wanted to let you know that if you guys want to buy some great deals on Milwaukee tools and other stuff at Home Depot, nothing has changed. It is Monday, right? The 20.
Is it Monday?
Yeah, it's going.
Is a construct,
They're watching it on Monday,
yeah.
and no good deals. It's
I mean,
it's not bad
that
deals.
they're bad deals.
They still
Nothing
have.
has changed.
If you buy like one of the saws, you'll get the forged batteries.
It's like how all the other stores were just marking their shit as on sale, but it really never, the price never changed.
Did you guys see that this year? This was a big trend, which
They
is
raised the price just to lower it again.
keep raising the price. There was planters that were like $89 that they raised to $150 that they marked down to $99.
$119.
That now are on sale
$119,
finally
and now they're
for.
back down to the
Ooh, I
original
just saw
price.
the Milwaukee wall stuff, but nothing new. They don't have any of the new stuff. You guys see the new PACKOUT rail accessories? None of those are new. None of those are available. Sorry. So really, we're just seeing the old deals that they had. Like, here's one. They have
They
the
got
PACKOUT
fireworks.
fan.
They got fireworks.
They have
Home
fire.
Depot has
It's
fireworks.
but that's a Florida thing, America, right? But they have the PACKOUT fan, which we have the misting kit that we're working on for during the cool season. The DXL, which, you know, for those of you that want a bigger, badder, and well, yellow.
I
Okay,
mean, yellow is a nice color.
But-
I do like this. Do you know how many grinders I can fit in here?
how many grinders? You can fit a lot of the bit holders in there. I actually thought about getting that as the DXL, this, and building it as like a cart system for all our shipping of orders. What do you think?
Ooh, that would be a great shipping table, or from our printers.
Shipping
with all the
table.
filament too. Or like tools
You
and
have
stuff.
more filament than
Then I know what to do with.
girl can order a lot of filament. But yeah, it's a little sad. Maybe some of these stores are, you know, hitting the wrath of just what happens when you take advantage of customers. But we're gonna go check to see what plants look like, and if we don't have any more to add to this video,
Maybe we should go to Lowe's.
You
Maybe
guys-
Lowe's won't do us dirty.
we could look at the MODbox.
Okay.
They have a new
Okay,
half
we
width
got some shit we
MODbox.
need to do for
Okay,
them anyway.
we'll see you guys back in a minute.
Bye.
Okay.
I found more glitter.
I feel there's so much clutter. I feel like this is one of those things that unfortunately you guys aren't all going to be able to get this deal. But you tell me how this maths. So the new dual battery string trimmer is $3.99, but at this Home Depot,
That's bare tool.
bare tool, $6.99. You can get the 2 amp 8 amp hour. Say that one twice. It's got the dual rapid charger, 2 batteries, and the string trimmer for the exact same price. Comment below if you think I bought it or not. And in another video, I'll answer you.
Somebody needs a birthday present.
It's a while away. No, she's not contributing. She's not a bad person. She's an awesome person.
Are we
Okay,
ready?
so this, I wanted to show you off. This is,
So these ones were $159, but apparently they used to be $120. Oh, let's see. These stickers might not be lying. The number of times these things have been put on sale.
they just keep.
$159.
Some more.
No, there's not. But I swear at one point they were at $119 for like a hot minute. Well, that was $120, but
They still. And they're still all here. Same massive pile. There's a couple that are marked down to 50 where they've been broken because they've moved them like 100 times, but okay, well, we're outside. I don't have a cart. So did I buy the weed whacker or not? Comment below, and also let me know what you guys got for Christmas. So I don't know if you guys know, but when I met Jen, she sends me a photo of her leaning on her car, waiting for the public utility company to show up. And she's just got a DeWalt shovel. And I guess she gets a call from the maintenance department because she worked for the maintenance department. She worked for the property management company. And they're like, one of the tenants just called and was scared about a woman in the parking lot with a shovel. And if there's anything you guys haven't learned, be wary of a woman in a parking lot with a shovel.
Shoot, shovel, shut up.
But look, I got her a plant, so we're gonna go maybe buy something. But she
Look at
found
this planter.
planters on
It
sale.
was 74 and now it's 57. I don't know that it's girl math free.
Yeah.
I spent all my sexual harassment dollars.
The plant, they can't see you over this plant.
That's okay. It's a beautiful begonia.
It's a begonia. All right. Well, we'll see you at Lowe's. We have been at Lowe's for less than 2 minutes and we've already bought a Christmas tree. Half with MODbox for the charge out conversions because we got to support every product. And
hey, you know what?
we're all cool. We're all open to new ideas. So, you know, let's see what else is on sale or not on sale. I mean, I'm getting this Christmas tree stand with some rusty screws in it for 50% off. I don't mind.
It's like the last Christmas tree stand.
The last Christmas tree stand, Charlie Brown.
So it's for a good cause.
It's for, and there's Klein Tools. So it's for the kids and there's Klein. Let's go. DeWalt has a backpack that's not compatible with their storage system. I'm sorry if you're making a system these days and you're not compatible with it, but you know what DeWalt does have? From their first fan right there. Look at that little dial, infinite adjustable. Okay, so we got our stuff. We're about to check out and we'll see what MODbox is.
Did you tell
Here.
them you were at Lowe's?
I assumed they were at Lowe's when they saw all the colors that aren't at Home Depot, but we absolutely forgot another one of our little, we'll call it bar mats that we put under our 3D printers. You can tell we're at Lowe's because flex and, ooh, cobalt. Oh, actually, I'm trying to find a piece of the MODbox rail for a little experiment I have, but this stuff is spread out over a couple different places, so let me see if I can find it. I'll be right back.
Keep saying there it is like that.
This is like Fanboys anti-Milwaukee that's got a wheel and it's got a drawer.
It's four-way.
It's got 2 drawers. So bottom unit, drawer. What's our price here? That's a work light. That is not the price.
$139.
$139.
Was $199.
Here, let me turn the camera on. Okay, so right, we have a top drawer. They have 2, it looks like. Big bottom drawer, and then it's got the normal, you know, MODbox wheels. It's got a traditional handle, so right.
So this one's $139, and the rolling toolbox is $119, but I don't see the rolling toolbox.
So that would have probably been the old one, the one that was just
But these are all the new ones.
a hinge up lid. So now, right, you don't need to get to your bottom unit, right? So your bottom unit is gonna have a drawer. You're gonna stack onto it. Pretty cool. See, I knew we were gonna find something new at Christmas. I'm so glad that they have that. That's a little rich for my blood. I'm gonna have to email Klein, but okay, more Klein and
Hey, look, more knee pads.
stacked it more. Yeah, that is not how I'm paying for it. You know, the sucky thing has been is that I was hoping to have this video. It was Jen and I's idea. We were like, we're gonna do this amazing. Look at all the deals for Christmas. The video that we did like a month ago was good enough. But if you're buying your loved one some tools, buy them something to organize it in, especially if they already have a system. Just get them one box. They'll love it. Put some like chocolate in it. Make it a stocking. It's awesome. But somebody, in fact, 3 somebodies are about to have a great Christmas because we're about to cut to a scene of us announcing the giveaways. But I wanted to say thank you one more time. Have a good Christmas. I'm going to say...
Or whatever holiday you're choosing to celebrate.
I am going to celebrate Christmas because Santa Claus is real. He is awesome and all that good fun stuff. So bye and welcome to a completely different Dressed Us. They're going to tell you what about those big third place winners, 3 winners, whatever. I don't know. It's been a long day.
Mouth sounds are hard.
Mouth sounds are hard. So we'll see you guys on Friday for a video that's going to really just pick at a nerve. And, or are we doing a backpack video? Well, either way, we're going to give away something in the next video. So see you guys.
What's up there, homie?
I need agua. Unintentional floor mopping break and unintentional, hey, only one person listened. So, what was it? Dale was the only one from the list. But we got a German, we got a Jordan, and we got a Dale. And we got 3 winners that we verified. So this little sweepstakes thing that Jen set up is working, and that's awesome. And the best part about it was, is it literally showed us if people didn't listen. You could have won. I'm just gonna put that out there. If you follow the directions. We pay the shipping whenever we send stuff to people, And for some of the products, like these ones, we had other people send stuff to us. So that's going to increase the shipping cost. And all we ask you to do is follow some of the great creators. And if you didn't do that, you didn't win. So apologize if you thought you were going to win, but guess what? You didn't follow the directions. And these guys did. So thank you everyone that did follow the directions. Sorry, Home Depot and Lowe's was a bust on all the great tools, but at least somebody, 3 people, have some great giveaway winnings. So we're gonna message them all, and we're gonna try to get the stuff out. Obviously, stuff won't come by Christmas, but this video is going out on today. And what I want to let you guys know is that we also run the PACKOUT Hangout on Facebook, and Milwaukee is sponsoring us to do a giveaway. So if you guys ever wonder why, we get busy in the groups and, what we're doing in the groups and all this other stuff and things like that, well, we're just trying to give back to you guys. There's lots of great ideas and lots of great creators, and we like to create a place that everyone can talk about the stuff. And we're trying to also keep everyone safe, trying to keep the scammers down. So head over to the Facebook group. It's always in the link in the description. There's links to all of our socials in this description. And check it out. Look for the post. It's coming up any day now because it's going to be a New Year's resolution Milwaukee winning post kind of thing. So yeah, thanks to all those who follow the directions, and thanks to the rest of you that watch the videos. And hope you all have a good holiday season, whatever you want to call it. I call mine Big Baby Jesus. Sky Daddy, as some like to say it.
I can't with you.
It's Christmas time, and it's time to really spend time with family. So that's what we're gonna do, and I hope you guys do as well. And have a good one.